In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram account with another person. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then hit at your profile picture. Now here tap at menu icon and here select QR code. Now there you can share this QR code to your friends by hitting here at share button. There you can send this QR code immediately here to suggested contacts or using some other apps to send the QR code, or you can send a link to your profile. To send a link, just hit here at copy and now link has copied to your clipboard. And now you can open up some app to send a link. It can be WhatsApp in my case, and there all I have to do is go to some conversation, tap at text field, tap again to bring up paste feature, then hit paste, and now as you see here is the link to my Instagram profile. I can hit at send button to send the link. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.